everyone, welcome back today to the 28-day knitting challenge. Today is day 21st and we are diving into short rows. Short rows are the secret to create shaping in your knit without decreasing stitches. They allow you to curve and add depth to your project. This technique is a game changer for sweaters, for socks, even just adding decorative elements. So, what exactly are short rows? They're partial rows that let you add extra fabric in certain areas without decreasing or increasing stitches. Instead of knitting across the entire row, you stop partway, turn, and continue knitting, creating extra depth in one section. Why do you want to use short rows? So, like to shape necklines, to add depth to the back, or maybe for curved hems, for bust darts, or to create sock heels. The most commonly used method for short rows is wrap and turn. Let's go step by step. So when you reach the part of the pattern that say to wrap and turn, let's do like for example, I've knit 7, let's do 8, and then wrap and turn. You move the yarn between the needles to the front, slip the next stitch, and you move the yarn back to the back and then you slip the stitch back to the needle. Then you turn your work and one stitch is wrapped. You continue knitting, let's knit just purl 4. And then in purling side with the yarn in front, you slip the next stitch, move the yarn to the back, slip it again, and move the yarn again to the front. And another stitch is wrapped. When you've completed your short rows, you want to hide the wraps to keep your fabric smooth. So you, on the right side, you knit until you reach the wrapped stitch. And then you insert your right needle under your wrap and knit it together with the stitch. And the wrap is moved to the back. And then you finish your row. Now on the wrong side, you purl until you reach the wrapped stitch, and then you'll insert your needle into the stitch purlwise, lift the wrap and the purl together. And then the wrap remains hidden to the wrong side. You just finish your row. One and two. And see the curve. And that's it. Short rows are an incredible technique to add depth and shape into your knitting project without complicated increases and decreases. And I hope this tutorial helps you feel confident in using short rows in your next project. Until then, tag me maybe on Instagram and show me your short row practice. I love to see your progress. Now make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss tomorrow. Bye, happy knitting!